Today we want to show you a few different ways to use these balms in your daily life for various issues with your skin or muscles and joints underneath your skin. So right now I'm going to show you how to use one of our sports balms with a wrap. This technique will work great with the arnica and activated hemp herbal CBD balm. It'll also work well with our wild arnica and turmeric herbal sports balm. And you could even do the wild arnica and activated hemp wellness serum. Recently, I overstretched part of my knee gardening. And I firstly want to say, if you do think you have a serious injury or something going on, always see a physician or healthcare practitioner. It is important to always have a proper diagnosis on an injury in case you need to have more thorough care. But in this situation, I know what I did. I overstretched my knee. It's not any big deal other than it hurts a bit and needs a little bit of plant medicine to help it heal more quickly. I would take our balm, make a nice patch over the affected area. As you can see, the different plants create a lot of color, and this is just the plant medicine showing itself. And then I love this wrap that sticks to itself. And then just wrap the knee. And you don't want it too tight. You want it a little snug, but not too tight. And just cover the balm. Again, you have kind of a thick layer there, so it'll just slowly soak in over a period of hours because this is going to stay on all day. And there you have it. And that will hold the balm in place. It will offer a little more support to the joint that you're treating. It absolutely offers some nourishment and different botanicals that will just increase your skin and your body's own resilience abilities so that you can enjoy a quicker recovery. You could do this technique anywhere. You could treat a wrist in the same way, your ankle, like any of these types of joints are easy to treat with this method. And then next I'd like to show you how to do a poultice. This is a great option for like a more flat area on your body. And Miko loves participating in the poultices. Recently, my bicycle fell on my leg. It's recovered now, but I had a huge bruise in this part of my leg, and so I used these products. Again, either the wild arnica and turmeric herbal sports balm or our arnica and activated hemp sports balm is perfect for this. And so again, you would put on a little bit of a thicker layer and kind of enjoy this beautiful color that shows from the balm itself and all the different medicinal extracts that are in it. And then you can do one of two things when you make a poultice of this method. You want to have a couple of items. I like to have some of these cotton gauze pads. You will also need a piece of plastic. As much as we don't like to use plastic, it does serve a good function in this way. And so you can cover this area with the balm. This is going to help hold it in place and right on the spot. And then you'll also need some medical tape. And you're then going to tape the plastic on top. Sometimes this helps if you have somebody assisting you. A couple extra hands can make a difference, depending on where you're doing this on your body. At one point I had a sore lower back over my sacrum, so I had to have help putting the plastic over my lower back area, but it worked marvelously to facilitate, easing the tension that was happening in my lower back. So this would be great, again, to, treat any type of disturbance in the skin, whether it's, like I mentioned, my bicycle falling over on me, leaving a big bruise. Maybe you have a sore muscle. Maybe you overworked some muscles on a hike. Maybe you've got a spot on your body that just tends to get sore. So you kind of build this little plastic covered area. The balm is inside. Everything is protected. And then you can go ahead and wear clothes, pants, anything over either of these. You're not going to get the product on your clothing. It's going to stay exactly where it needs to stay for the most benefit to you. Quite easy to do in just a couple of minutes. Usually I will put this on after I shower for the day and then leave it on until I shower the next day. But you can leave these on anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. And then I would take them off, reapply the balm, and wrap again. So we hope you enjoy exploring some of these options in terms of how to use these therapeutic balms in a way that will keep the balm exactly where you need it to stay so that you can get the best benefit from it, and then also keep it neat and tidy in terms of it not spreading to other parts of your body or on your clothing.